Hi, this is USDJPY and today it's Thursday, 27th of June 2013 and the time is 6:46 GMT. We are looking at the H1 chart, 1 hour chart of the pair, and I'm using Ichimoku Kinko Hyo to set up my trade. We were waiting for a bullish Kumo breakout. This is the Kumo, the cloud, and we see that it has been horizontal for a while and the price has been in a consolidation and range bound phase. We were expecting to see a bullish Kumo breakout on M30 and H1 time frames, which just happened. Let's go to M30. You see, now we have this corrective candlestick, and we have, let's see the bigger, let's see from smaller time frames. We had the bullish Kumo breakout on the M5 chart. On the M1, we have this corrective move, which is not completed yet. We will enter long as soon as we see this green line, Chikou span, going straight up, preferably above past price action. It's not a problem if it is a bit too late. You will be 100% sure that you should enter long. So it's better to wait till you see Chikou span going up here than entering when it turns up but then turns down again for a while and gives you some hard time till the correction is over. Make sure that the correction is 100% over and then jump in long. So you use the smallest time frame to pick your entry point, and make sure that when you enter the whole world has not turned upside down and it's still and everything looks bullish. You see that we have a very sharp edge on the leading Kumo on the M5 chart, this is indicative of a very strong bullish momentum. But here still Chikou span is turned downwards, so we wait. On the M15 chart, we see that the leading Kumo is bullish, but we don't see a sharp edge because of these corrective moves, so we wait. On the M30 chart, we see that Chikou span has turned down because of this corrective candlestick, so we wait to see this turned up. Although the leading Kumo is bullish and has this slope, but we wait before we enter. We wait to make sure that this will turn up. Doesn't matter if you miss a few pips, wait. Somewhere around 98 would be a good entry point once all your conditions are met. Once every time frame is 100% bullish. So it's 100% bullish when Chikou span is turned upwards. H1, we see that the price is going up. Leading Kumo has a sharp edge pointing upwards. We see that Chikou span goes straight up above past price action and above Kumo, but we wait to see where the correction finishes before we enter. On the H4 chart, we see that the price was moving on the consolidation mode for a while because we had this plateau, this valley below it, but hopefully the price will take off soon. We see leading Kumo being bullish with a slight upward slope, and its edge is almost sharp pointing upwards, not as sharp as we would like it to be though, so we wait. Chikou span is here, it is above past price action, it goes up but we want it to go higher. Okay, on the daily chart we see that price tries to penetrate the Kumo. Let's see if we will have a successful Kumo breakout here, bullish Kumo breakout on the daily chart. Chikou span moves upwards, but it's still below past price action. So I believe that the big boom will happen when price will manage to go above past price action. Maybe because Kumo represents resistance, maybe price will go around the Kumo, will make a big effort here in a few, maybe the beginning of the next week, and then breaks through and goes up, because price chooses the road of less resistance. That's an assumption, of course. I hate trying to say what is going to happen, trying to predict, because I'm not a magician or an oracle, and trying to predict the market makes somebody sound and look stupid. Well, I'm stupid, but for other reasons, not for this. I don't want to be stupid for this reason. So, on the daily chart, everything looks, there are bullish biases. Although price is yet below the Kumo, which is bearish, we have a leading Kumo which is bearish, but it has a flat top and belly down, which is a bullish pattern on Ichimoku system. It's a bullish formation. Once this belly closes here, and we have a cross between Senkou span B and Senkou span A, the two borders of the Kumo, if we have a cross, they will give birth to a bullish Kumo here, and we will have we will see the pair resuming its previous strong uptrend. So, I recap. We monitor our trade from the H1 time frame. We enter long as soon as this corrective move that happens is over, and we see Chikou span going straight up on the H1 chart, straight up on the M5 chart, straight up on the M15 chart, straight up on the M30 chart, which doesn't happen now, straight up above past price action as it is on the H1 chart, and we enter long. We place our stop loss somewhere in the region of 1980 or lower, depending on the tolerance of our account, and we exit when we see we enter practically on a bullish Kumo breakout on the H1 chart, and we will exit on a bearish Kumo breakout. So if we were entering here on a bullish breakout, you see, I'm going to insert a vertical line because sometimes my arrow doesn't show. So if we had entered here on a bullish Kumo breakout on the H1 chart and exited on a bearish Kumo breakout, we would exit here. So we would have earned all these pips. Okay, so keep that in your mind. This is what we are looking for. This is the profit potential of the trade, and we enter after a horizontal Kumo, which increases our profitability potential. Okay, ignore this line. This is a long entry line from a signal I discussed with one of the friends of our apps users a few days ago, but it was a premature stage for you to enter, so I didn't give a signal then. It's not late if you enter now. Just wait to make sure that everything looks 100% bullish, and use your Chikou span, the green line, as your entry filter. So, thanks for watching and happy pips!